Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now joining us is Qraig from voicemail.
Yeah,
Welcome, brother.
Thanks for having me.
Now here's the thing. Before we talk about what's new with you, we're going to play one of our favorite games. What's the game we're going to play, Qraig?
The game is called Marry, Date, and Sip. So,
This not get me in any trouble.
Well, we hope it does.
Probably.
We hope it does.
But, you know, we still say your lyrics, so you come out, right? So the object of the game, right, is we're going to put up an image of a female celebrity.
Okay.
And you need to tell us whether you will marry the person, date the person, or if you don't like them, or is a close friend. If it's a close friend, we still want to know if it's even if it's a close friend, you have to talk with them.
Definitely,
but if you're doing nothing with them, you should sip some water.
Okay.
But you have to tell us why.
Thank you. I was going to say,
Okay.
you can't just pass, sir. Okay, are we ready? We have 5 minutes. We have to get through all of them. The first person is the fabulous, the beautiful, yet Yannick Curvy Diva.
Yeah, man, we can't par. Can't hold a par.
What that mean? Date?
Yeah, man, we did. We can't hold a go and date.
Yeah, good boy.
Dinner and all these.
Yeah, good boy. All right, so the next person is Stefflon Don.
We can't par.
What kind of par mean?
That's dating.
Let's go for a drink.
Netflix and
So
chill
that's called
par
a date,
kind of
though,
par?
Qraig. Dates.
What kind of par?
I mean, we wouldn't have dinner, but all right. Yeah, I can't go for the date still. You know, but I love for
So you don't care about a whole vibe?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you wouldn't want to marry Steph London? Okay. Oh, surprising. The next young lady that we have is Kerry Washington. I'm just waiting for the picture to come up. Kerry Washington.
Yeah, definitely. Married. Mm-hmm.
So why you marry Kerry, but you're not going to marry?
Man, Kerry have a vibe, you know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah, we have a vibe.
We have a vibe.
All right, so
Vibe.
the fourth one is Mariah Carey.
Oh, you say our name so strong, Qraig. Oh, you say our name so strong.
No, so she
Ooh,
What you do?
They said Mariah
Ooh.
Carey.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Why?
Qraig wants
Can't
to
bother with the drama with Nick and all of that something there.
No, man, but Nika ex, man. I don't tell you, man. I don't know if you deal with them things like that.
He's saying no drama around here.
No.
All right. So 5 is Danique.
Danny.
I got hard from what they are still, you know.
Yeah.
Then you come look a friend, so what we do if a friend, a drink, what?
Well, you have to drink if you're your friend.
Yeah, man, I'm a little sister.
So you're not going to marry her, you're not going to date her, you're just going to
No.
be your sister.
Yeah, man.
So you
Yeah,
pass.
man.
So not because anything,
Danique,
just
I'm about
cause.
to here, but I can't tell about it.
Well, I'm a little G, man.
All right, so you say, okay.
All right,
So, go on.
All right, so the 6th person is Gabrielle
You
Union.
never said 5.
Danique was 5.
I think I did 5 people.
This
Yeah,
six.
man, we can date. We can date.
You going to date Gabby?
Yeah, definitely.
You're not going to marry Gabby, just like
I will, but so you know worry about being weird.
No, man, that's how we can do. You can't go for drinks
Yeah,
and
we're
all
about
these
Nika, you
things.
know. we're
Yo,
about
Qraig, I'm concerned. You seem to just want to go on a lot of dates. You're not really marrying anybody. What is this?
As long as I know one time, it's
I'm just saying. All right. Make we see how it go. The next young lady that we have is Miss Nicki Minaj. You have to tell us why, Qraig. He's drinking, guys. He's
Why?
sipping. Why are you sipping on Nicki?
That's not my vibe. Love our music, but that's not my vibe.
What's not your vibe? What aspect? You mean our songs? What's
No,
not?
that me say I like the music, but
So what's not
that's
vibe?
not my vibe. That's not my vibe.
That's not, you see, guys, I was trying to get it out of him.
understand.
He's just giving
So the 8th person.
Love the music, but not my vibe.
The 8th
Not my
person is Chloe Bailey.
Chloe, I go hard lately. You know, she go hard, people.
Yeah, she can get a date.
She can get a date.
Yeah, she can get a date, see what's going on.
Okay.
I see yours.
Qraig, I have questions.
Sure.
I have questions. I'm going to bring the questions at the end. So next person we have is Miss Mary J. Blige. Look at Mary. I never see, look at her.
Mary coming like the G. You know?
Big
what I mean?
woman that you know.
Yeah,
Right.
at
So
the
you don't want
G.
Mary into the legacy?
Big
No.
woman things that you know.
No. He said clearly, no.
No.
Okay. So what we do with Mary? We're dating, we're marrying, we're sipping.
We can't sip because, you know, Mary, I one of the G them.
Okay. He doesn't want the G's.
Mary could have teach you a few things,
Jeez.
bro. All right, so the last one. All right, so the last one now is Tiana Taylor.
I forget.
So repeatedly.
Yeah. definitely date Tiana.
So we have 1 minute and 50 seconds left. I want to ask a question, sir.
Okay.
Why are you dating? What's going on? Why are you not?
Hold on. I feel like you should have done yourself.
Craig, what's wrong? What's happening? What's
No,
going
but
on?
marriage is a very
Serious thing.
serious commitment. You know, it's not just oh yeah, I'm like no. It's long term. You know, this is the person you're going to spend the rest of your life with. It's not a picking out jeans or a sneakers. It takes time.
I like that.
You know,
I have
energy
enough
is
respect
everything.
for that.
Yes, well.
I love it. I love it. Okay.
People take long to fix sneakers too. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. And Qraig not leaving us, so he'll be here performing with us. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So far.